So we're back in the Grand Am, finally. It's been a long time since I posted a video on this thing. Probably about a year and a half to 2 years or so. And some of you guys have been asking where it went. Well, it's back. It's still running. Just haven't had the time to work on it. And I'd like to get this video series started back up again. This is going to be part one of many videos to come on renewing or restoring this 1998 Pontiac Grand Am. Like I said earlier, if you're not familiar with this car, there's other videos on my channel. My dad bought this back for me a couple years ago. This was my first car. It's been in the family since '98, and I ended up selling it for a pile of garbage car, Chevy Cruze, that you can also find on my channel. And my dad found this car and bought it back, and been trying to restore it, keep it on the road. So right now we're actually driving to a location where I can wash it, because I can't wash it where I live, unfortunately. And I'm shooting this video because I shot the first video in slow motion, the entire thing, so it's useless. So that's why I'm filming it in here. Now, as you can see, we do have a check engine light on. Pulled the code, and apparently it's a P0440. I think that's what it is. I'll post the screenshot of what exactly it was in the video, which was a gas cap. So I ended up replacing the gas cap yesterday, and we're gonna see if that actually fixes the check engine light. Supposedly after a drive cycle or two it's supposed to shut off, is what I read, but we're gonna see. It's literally just sat for the past 2 years, a little bit outside and a little bit inside, under a carport, but finally I'm able to get to work on it. And like I said, you'll see more videos to come, especially this summer as the weather in Ohio gets a little better. So stay tuned, and yeah, we'll get started on today's video. So I loaned this to one of my relatives, and it got a little dirty because the relative's car broke. So I let him drive it for a week, and it got a little bit dirty. So we're gonna go ahead and wash her up all nice. I apologize for the wind in advance. You know, it's just crazy windy out. So yeah, one spot I'm concerned about is this spoiler. Anybody got any suggestions for that? I think I'm gonna have to repaint it, but if anybody knows how to repair it, let me know in the comments. Let's get started. Well, I think it turned out pretty nice. What do you think, Dad?
Yep.
So I just looked at the time lapse, and the majority of the video is it face down on the ground. So walk out here. Sorry for the wind. I'll edit it out a little bit, but you can see it turned out pretty good. I'll get this professionally detailed here in the spring, but it's pretty good for just a spot wash. Not too bad. But one of the other problem that arose up recently is this grinding sound in the front. It's the air conditioning compressor. I think the clutch is locked up on it or something, but I need to get that fixed. It comes and goes. It's usually a lot louder than that. That's another area that needs fixed on this car. So definitely stay tuned for some more videos. I think I'm going to tackle this interior next. Alright, now it's time to get to work on this interior. You can kind of see how kind of disgusting it is in here. Ugh. Yuck. Even on here, all dust and grime and stuff. So going to be using this stuff back here, invisible glass, to obviously clean the glass, and Meguiar's Natural Sign Protectant. I love this stuff because it doesn't leave a nasty, greasy yeah, I guess Armor All type finish on the plastic, and it doesn't really outgas on the glass, so it doesn't fog up the glass either. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started on here. I just vacuumed it yesterday when I was getting the gas cap. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started cleaning this interior. Alright, now she's done. I'm gonna give you some shots of the finished product here in a second, but of the entire car actually, because I got some room and I should be able to get some nice shots in here for you guys. But I gave up on the mats because I don't have a way to clean them at the moment. I don't have a hose. So yeah, without further ado, enjoy these shots of the brand new. So I'm actually going to reset that check engine light because I'm tired of seeing it, and it didn't go out yet. So I guess the surefire way of telling if something's wrong is if it comes back on again with that code. I really hope not, because then I would begin to believe it's the fuel filler neck that rusted out. So yep, I'm gonna go ahead and clear the code and I'll be right back. All right, moment of truth that I shut the check engine light off. Yay! It's off. Okay. Well, that'll do it for this video. Let me know what you guys think about the entire project, of whether I should actually put the air conditioning back into this thing or I should just take it completely out, keep it original. I mean, I know I've said it in the video before, but the possibilities are endless, and I got 7,000 more subscribers than I did before. That's another video I'd like to get to, is my 10,000 subscriber video, but that's beside the point. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about this entire build and project, and we'll see you in the next video.